The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time you fall. The way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Your time is limited, so do not waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. If you look at what you have in life, you will always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you will never have enough. If you set your goals ridiculously high and it's a failure, you will fail above everyone else's success. Life is what happens when you are busy making other plans. Spread love wherever you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. Always remember that you are absolutely unique, just like everyone else. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Tell me and I will forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. The best and the most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. You will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. In the end, it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your years. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. You have brains in your head, you have feet in your shoes, you can steer yourself any direction you choose. The only impossible journey is the one you never begin. In this life, we cannot do good things. We can only do small things with great love. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. Love the life you live the life you love. In 3 words, I can sum up everything I've learned about life. It goes on. Success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. It is better to fail in originality than to succeed in imitations. Successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Do not wish it were easier. Wish you were better. The road to the success and the road to the failure are almost exactly the same. Try not to become a man of success, rather become a man of hell.